Dr. Angel Alcala, a renowned Filipino marine scientist, pioneered the use of artificial coral reefs to restore damaged marine habitats. His work has transformed struggling fishing communities and brought hope to our oceans.
Artificial coral reefs are man-made structures placed underwater to mimic natural reefs. This structure, made from materials like concrete or metal, encourage coral growth and attract marine life. Over time, they become thriving ecosystem, providing shelter and food for fish.
Dr. Artificial reefs have played a hug role in restoring marine diversity and increasing fish population. This has been a game changer for local fishing communities who rely on the ocean of their livelihood.
For years, overfishing and coral destruction lead to declining fish populations, making it harder for fishermen to provide for their families. But when artificial reefs, fish stocks have recovered, allowing sustainable fishing and better incomes for communities.
Studies have shown that artificial reefs not only restore marine life but also create new opportunities for ecotourism such as snorkeling and diving, further boosting the local economy.
Despite their success, artificial coral reefs come with challenges. They require funding for construction and long-term maintenance to ensure they continue to support marine life.
Without proper management, some artificial reefs can fail, either due to poor design, environmental condition, or lack of monitoring. This is why continued research, government support, and community involvement are crucial for their success.
Dr. Alcala's work has left a lasting impact on marine conservation. His dedication to restoring coral reefs has inspired environmentalists and local communities worldwide.
The future of our oceans depends on solutions like artificial coral reefs and the people who work to protect them. By supporting marine conservation efforts, we can help restore our ocean and ensure a better future for